Hey Satwant, here's a quick video for you with the engine running in the CRV. And I'm just going to go around showing any imperfections there might be on the vehicle. There's really not a whole lot, but I will go around anyway. There's a teeny tiny bit of chipping right here. Oh, no there's not. I'm just kidding. There's a small scuff on the front of the bumper. There's some minor paint chipping right there, or it's more of a like the protective coat chipping there. Very, very light scratching there. That should be able to get buffed out pretty easily. I don't know if you can see, there's a tiny, tiny dent right there. A little bit of a chip right there. There's a small dent here on the back fender. Nothing that I'm noticing on the back end. This corner here, there's a tiny bit of a chip. Okay, that's just dirt. There's a minor paint chipping on the edge of the back passenger door, as well as a little bit of a scuff. Another very minor scuff. And then just on the edge of the hood, there's just a couple little paint chips there. So that is all that I am seeing in regards to, oh, the fog light down here is cracked too. But other than that, that is all that I am seeing. I did do a very good look around just to see what there was. If there is anything that you did notice in the video that I didn't point out, I just did not notice it. So yeah, just let us know what you think.